Okay, so dear students, so today in this video, so I'm going to show you basically in the lab how you can synthesize benzopinacol. Okay, so benzopinacol, if you want to synthesize to the green method, what you have to do, you take benzophenone, let's say 1 to 2 grams, and then dissolve this in 10 ml of isopropyl alcohol. So once you dissolve this, if you need to heat this, you can do some gentle warming. So once it's completely dissolved, then you take this solution, whether you have dissolved this in the beaker or test tube or the round bottomed flask, you take that flask and then add glacial acetic acid, couple of drops of glacial acetic acid. So once you have added the glacial acetic acid, then you can add 10 to 15 ml of your isopropyl alcohol, and then you cover this assembly. You cover this volumetric flask. I mean to say the round bottomed flask or beaker. You cover this with the aluminum foil, keep it tight, and then take this assembly and keep it in the sunlight for 24 hours or 2 to 3 days. You can also use an alternative mechanism if in your lab you have the setup like a chamber or any source that can generate the ultraviolet light. See, a tube. So you can keep it under that tube. You can keep it in under that setup where the ultraviolet light is available, and then keep it for 2 to 3 days or minimum 24 hours. You can see there here in this video we have done the same exercise and we have followed the same procedure which I am discussing here. And then after the 24 hours or 3 days, 2 to 3 days, you take this assembly, you take this beaker or whatever you have taken, let's say round bottomed flask, and then keep this in the ice bath. You can clearly see here in this video there's a small beaker inside a larger beaker. So that's basically this larger beaker, it contains the ice or ice cooled water. So you keep it there and then let the crystals to form, and you will see after overnight, a period of, you can say, minimum 1 night or 2 nights, and you can give it the amount of time as much as possible, and you can see the white needle shaped crystals formed. So these crystals, you can see here in the video, they are basically the benzopinacol. So this is the simplest possible procedure, a simplest possible method through which you can synthesize the benzopinacol in the lab via green method. Green method, we know that photochemistry is one of the green methods which you can utilize to synthesize the organic compounds. So this was all about today's practical. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, you can write down. We'll be happy to answer you. So this is all for the day. Thank you.